And how quick was that? That took me less than 10 minutes and this is going to last me 2 weeks. This is not like any polish that you've tried before. This is mineral powder and I want to show you how it works. First step is we have the base coat. This kit will actually give you probably up to 100 manicures. So obviously that is going to save you a lot of money. So now I'm just curing it under the light and it takes 1 minute and it turns itself off. You don't need to set a timer. It knows once it's done. What you do is you dip it in and rub it on. Let me show you how that looks. Dip, dip, dip. And rub, rub, rub. So the good thing about this system is you can mix the colors. So you might have a certain color and you want to just make it a bit more muted, or you want to do ombre, you can mix them all together. For the holographic, I like to do it in circles. And as you can see, I'm being pretty scrappy with it. So I'm just using the brush now, just to brush off the excess. And at the end, you can rinse it off. I'm going to do a top coat and that just sort of locks it in. Having the base coat and the top coat, that's what really locks it in and makes it feel more like solid and more strong as well. So again, I'm not using a whole lot, and then we pop it under the light again. It's cruelty free, it's vegan, it doesn't have a smell, like it doesn't smell like a bad poisonous chemical like some other products do. It's actually really easy to take off too. You can have the rapid remover, so you can have it just for the weekend if you want. Put on the remover and it's gone and there's no damage. And then after this, all I'm going to do is just wash my hands to get any excess off around the edges, and then I'll show you what it looks like outside in the sunlight. Each little pot has 30 manicures in it. And if you get the deluxe set, you get 3 pots. So you are set. Basically, after you've done like 2 or 3, it's basically paid for itself when you think about how much it costs to actually go to the salon. Look at that. Haven't even like washed it off. It's already like ready to go. I'll be right back. I'll show you what it looks like in the light. And here we are. Look at that. Look at the shimmer.